What's up, y'all? Today this is a little bit of a multi-purpose video. I just got this new gadget. Actually, I got it on Christmas, but I just unboxed it. And I came across a problem where it'd come really handy. It's a play on words there, if you didn't catch it. So yeah, we're gonna check that out. Also, I'm testing a brand new microphone that I got on here. So hopefully that'll block out some of the cicadas out here in Texas.
All they do is they sit up in the trees. The boys like to sing to find a girl. Once they find a girl, they have some babies, and the next thing you know, they die.
Because they're really noisy and they've been ruining quite a few of my videos.
Underneath their body, did you hear it? It just made a sound. You hear that? Oh, listen.
Look how messy this garage is. So if you didn't know, we just got through with an investment property remodel. And so a lot of this mess is from moving stuff back into the house. Funny thing is we just bought a second investment property. So be prepared for quite a few more videos on that. Additionally, this next property is actually 2 units in one. Both are complete guts, complete remodels. So it's going to be a huge undertaking. But yeah, that's why there's such a mess. That's the reason why there's a mess. But here it is. Here's the packaging. Right? Oh, and by the way, guys, if you're asking why I'm wearing a child's t-shirt, then you don't know who Calvin and Hobbes is. And you need to get your life together. I know Bat City Designs is a little misleading. It sounds like Gotham City or something like a Batman DC comic. But Calvin and Hobbes here, you have to know, scientific progress goes boink. Weirdos from another planet. Like I said, get your life together if you don't know who they are and you're judging me for wearing a child's t-shirt. But anyway, so here's the problem, right? So you can see this mess of screws down here from transporting this tote back home. And let's check out, so you're supposed to put this on your wrist here. Let's kind of test this out. Look at that, I did really, really well. I don't have to sit there and pick these out one by one. I put them back in this box here and call it a day. It's pretty cool. Babe, thanks for giving me this wrist strap for Christmas.
You're welcome.
I use it all the time. So that's about it. This is the RAK brand. Let's see if that'll zoom in there. RAK. Never heard of them before, but it's kind of a cool little nifty gift. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe as usual. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. A lot of our next videos are going to be from our next investment property, so you're going to want to stay tuned. Thanks.
Oh, that's so cool. And what's doing that is underneath here. We're going to get a close-up, but he's got these things that look like ribs on their body right there. Those are called timbals. And basically what that is he can move those back and forth and make that call that you hear there. Let's see.